Hello students, I am Dr. Manish Deshpande presenting before you writing skill, letter writing for 9th and 10th standard. It is question number 5 in your activity sheet. Let us see how to write the letters. There are two types of letters, informal and formal. How to write informal letter? This letter is to be written in full block style of writing. You have to write all the matter left aligned. It means you have to write each and everything at the left hand side. Informal letter is written generally to relatives, friends, teachers or parents. It includes your address, date and salutation, like my dear brother, my dear father, my dear sister, my dear teacher, etc. Your address should be at the left hand side corner at the top of the letter. You have to use informal and friendly language. You have to write at least 3 paragraphs. You have to begin well. You have to cover all the points in the middle para. The points are given in your letter in the form of an advertisement, and in the last para you have to write convey my regards to your parents, etc. and you have to conclude the letters writing yours lovingly with your name. How to write formal letter? It is different from informal letter. It is an official letter or commercial letter. This is also written in full block style. You have also to write this letter left aligned, means you have to write all these things at the left side of the paper. This is official letter. The language used in this letter is strictly formal. It is written to the editor of a newspaper, or the branch manager of a bank, or a headmaster of a school, chief officer of the Nagar Parishad, or the education officer, the president of any sanstha, institution, like that. This includes 2 addresses. In informal letter there is only 1 address, but here in formal letter you have to write 2 addresses. First address is your address at the left hand side corner at the top of the letter, and next to it you have to write the second address, that is address to the official, the address of the official, and you have to write subject, and if there is any reference, suppose the advertisement published in the newspaper or the letter, the reference can be given, and the salutation should be formal, like respected sir, madam, dear sir, etc. You have to use strictly formal and official language. Write at least 3 paragraphs. You have to begin the letter properly. You have to cover all the points given in the question, and you have to end the letter properly, and you have to write or conclude your letter using yours faithfully or yours sincerely by your name. Here is a sample question. Imagine that you are Soham Ranade from 201 Vanashri Garden, Pune 34. Now read the appeal made by the school and attempt any one of the following letters. Arya Chanakya High School has organized an essay competition on Save Water, Save Life. The competition will be held on 26 January 2020 in the hall number 16, and the interested students may register their names by 19th of January with Mrs. Meera Pawar. It is a formal letter and informal letter also. You have to attempt any one of it. write a letter to your friend Makran or Manasi, motivating to take part in the competition as an informal letter. And informal letter, write a letter of appreciation to the headmaster of the school for arranging the competition to create awareness among the students about the importance of water. Water, save life. This is the theme of your letter. Now see the informal letter. It is to be written to your friend. Your address is written at the left hand side corner at the top of the letter. Soham Ranade, 201 Manashri Garden, Pune 34. Date January 12, 2020. Dear Makaran, this is salutation. First para, this is a special letter for you, Maku. You are absent since last week due to illness. So I would like to inform you that our school has organized an essay competition about Save Water, Save Life on 26th of January on the Republic Day. It will be held in the hall number 16 of our school. I want you to take part in. I think, second paragraph, I think you are being recovered. You are the master of words. Your language is very sophisticated. I am sure that you will definitely get the first prize. The last date to register your entry is 19th of this month. I am going to register your entry today. I am sure you will not deny, so just have to be ready for the competition. Last para, so I expect a speedy recovery and your ready presence for the competition. Convey my regards to your mom and dad, your friend, so on. Now informal letter, it is written to the headmaster. It is an appreciation. Your address is again here at the left hand side corner at the top of the letter. Then second address is to the headmaster, Arya Chanakya High School, Pune 34. Subject of the letter is a letter of appreciation for arranging the essay competition, Save Water, Save Life. Respected sir, this is salutation. First para, I personally appreciate our school and our staff for arranging this Save Water, Save Life competition in our school. Sir, second para, sir, I am the student of your school studying in standard 10. I have participated in the essay competition held in our school today. All of the students of my class are very much delighted to have such competition on the important issue of Save Water, Save Life. It is really our need and responsibility to save water. People are very much careless about this. So I am personally thankful to you and our staff for organizing this competition once again. This is the last para. Thank you. And the end of the letter, yours sincerely, Soham Ranade. Thank you once again.